What's up, you guys? I'm BJ Slavka, and this is the reaction video of a Happy Tree Friends. And we have no longer used on the of the cam monitor screen right over there, and we're going to do some more reaction at this time of the video. So we're gonna have Happy Tree Friends, Smoochies. It's called the character Sniffles. So let's watch the video, have fun. Lights, camera, action. Let's play. This is gonna be hilarious. Please do not try to laugh. Remember, guys, this is not appropriate for children. It's for mature audiences only. Oh, Sniffles, you got the rocket. You got the rocket package. You got the rocket. Oh boy. Come on.
Huh?
Oh! Magnetic shield! It's a magnet!
What?
What is this? Oh. You got a magnet! Oh, yeah. Sniffles reading a book. Oh, he has a scientist. Ooh, good, powerful magic. Oh, he's putting an apple. Let's see, he's gonna grown up. Oh, he's growing a giant apple. Oh, he's gonna grown up. And oh my god! Whew. Wow. That was epic. So important, awesome Smoochies it is. On a Happy Tree Friends, it was epic, freaking hilarious. Kids, please do not... This is not a kids allowed on a Happy Tree Friends. So, over 17 years of age, do not alert anyone. Go have a Happy Tree Friends. This contains graphic images which is not appropriate for children until over age 17. So, that is it for this episode. Remember, please like, give it a thumbs up, please leave the comments below, and please subscribe whenever you follow us on YouTube and official social medias like monomedia.com. And search on the website, click shows, click the Lighthouse, and give me a description of how it was. So, enjoy!